And there's some big bucks though on the property. Oh, there's one right there. Yeah, that's a trophy right there. What's up? Wow. That is a big animal. Hi, buddy. Yeah. Show me where the pond. Show me the pond. Yeah, you show me the pond. Yes. Follow a dog, he'll lead you to the best place. What a great backyard. And this is the total package, right? I mean, this is living the aquascape lifestyle. Let's check out a customer served right and a pond done right now out here in where?
Middletown, Pennsylvania.
Out here in Middletown, Pennsylvania.
So when we originally built the pond, it went from here to about here.
Okay.
We added all the way over.
Oh my gosh, totally.
There, and then we actually have an upflow system in here
for the wetland.
For the wetland filter. So in this section right here is our upflow filter, and we hit every pipe that belongs to that pool and had to change
oh my gosh,
all around, and because everything comes right through, all the electric
of course
comes all the way right through
but
here.
As long as he was going to rebuild it, he wanted to build it bigger,
right,
and get it right.
And then we added the big waterfall here.
It's a beautiful waterfall. It's a beautiful pond, and it fits in this space. Did you also put the stainless steel?
We did not.
So that's someone else did, huh?
Yeah.
That's it. I like them.
Yep, the previous pond builder.
They were already in here.
Yeah.
Beautiful water feature. What a great backyard. And this is the total package, right? I mean, this is living the aquascape lifestyle. Look at this outdoor kitchen area here. They've got the seating area, and then of course the swimming pool, and then this beautiful aquascape ecosystem pond. It's the little things. It's having a little waterfall flow off of the main waterfall. It's the little pieces that the artist can put together that make all the difference in the world. Oh yeah.
When we put this on, I said to Debbie, is there any way we can get screens, try to keep the flies out, the bugs out, or whatever, and
well, he figured that out.
I have refrigerators in there that I stock and make a concession stand for the kids, for the pool.
Oh, you have like the ultimate grandma house.
Well,
oh, you got the pool, you got the fire, you got the pond, you got the fish.
Yeah.
So what is the new water feature like compared to the old one?
Oh my God, what? 5 times the size, 10 times the first one had none of that. And see, at our old house we had a pond.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's much smaller.
Okay.
Much smaller. But I remember the very first one, it ran.
Yeah, it started over by the Japanese
all the way
around, past the fireplace.
For some reason, my husband just loves his pond.
Yes.
And it started, I don't know where he got the idea about all the big water features. If you guys designed that, did he call you and say, I don't remember?
He did. He said, I want a waterfall back there and from here to here.
Yeah.
I like that guy.
Yep.
You do too.
Very direct. Being able to be in this room and have the pond and the pool right there.
It's awesome.
It's absolutely amazing. I would never leave this room.
You're the coolest grandma ever. Beat school?
Yeah. We're going to go back by the deer pen first.
Yes.
Go back this way.
Off-road. How long has he been breeding deer?
Oh my.
Look at some of the sheds on there.
A long time?
Yeah. Here's a bunch of young ones.
Oh yeah.
It's all dough.
Yeah, they look at.
I couldn't tell you. Well, they're just babies too.
Okay.
They're probably just this year.
And there's some big bucks though on the property.
Oh,
Oh, there's
goodness.
one right there.
Holy moly.
Oh, that's real? That's real deer?
Yeah, look at that thing. Oh, there's another one laying there.
Oh my.
Shh, you can't yell.
Yeah.
You do not want to scare them.
Yeah, your dad's yelling. You can't say. Even you're excited, Tara. Yeah, that's a trophy right there. That's a couple trophies right there.
See what they've done to the
Non-typical.
shooting shed up there?
Yeah, they're rubbing their stuff.
Beautiful animal. Wow.
Now these must all be sold because he didn't take the antlers off of them. So they're probably all sold.
Okay. How many longhorns does he have?
Quite a few.
Wow, look at that animal. Can I jump out?
Yeah, sure.
What's up? Wow. That is a big animal. I'm gonna guess that that is about 5 feet from tip to tip. Woo! What's up, guys? Wow. All right, back to the tour. What's going to happen a lot of the times on this vlog channel. You know, we're sitting in the house talking to the homeowner of this beautiful aquascape ecosystem water feature. So she says, jump in the Ranger. I want to take you over and see my son's deer farm and his Texas Longhorns. That's what's so fun to me about this. Every single time it's a new adventure. Every water feature is a unique work of art, one-of-a-kind custom creation. Every homeowner is different, every setting is different, and each contractor is different. If you're interested in living the aquascape lifestyle yourself, check out the link below to find a certified aquascape contractor in your area. I love my art, and I love my job. We are on a beautiful day. Are we in Lebanon?
Lebanon, Pennsylvania.
Lebanon, Pennsylvania with Dustin Stoller and a really cool puppy. Aww. What's his name?
Oliver.
Oliver. Hi, Oliver. You are the lifelong friend of Dustin, I hear. The steel guy, huh?
You got it.
I'm the pond guy, Greg Wittstock. Your name?
Andy Miller.
Andy Miller. So you've known this guy since he was 3 years old, huh?
Correct.
And how long ago did he build you a pond?
I guess it all starts going back to, you remember the one we built with garbage bags?
At my parents' house when we were like 14 years old.
That's how we all start out.
Yeah, and then we built a pond at his first house in Myerstown, Pennsylvania, and we had to pick basically the whole thing by hand because it was so rocky.
It's like a fill spot when they built the house, so we pickaxed for
days.
So you have also been a lifelong passionate hobbyist, but you went the steel route and you went the pond route.
Yep.
All right, let's see this beautiful ecosystem water feature. Hi, buddy. Show me where the pond. Show me the pond. Yeah, you show me the pond. Yes. Follow a dog, and he'll lead you to the best place. Aw, looking for his fish buddies.
So this was all just open grass when you moved here, right?
This looks like a hotel, dude.
And then when he
it looks like a resort.
Him and your father purchased this, and there were 2 sets of tenants living in here. They decided that they wanted to move here, and they redid the whole inside of the house.
Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this. Wow. These are some awesome stones, too. So how long ago did this go in?
Well, this had many iterations. When it was 2 apartments, there had been a plastic liner pond here. And the pond that he built for me in Myerstown, I love that house, I love that pond. You know, you get married and you're gonna need more space, so the year after I sold that house, I always would drive by and stalk the property, you know, see how everything was looking, and I saw like the whole pond ripped out. So I said went up to the doorbell, rang on it, and said, hey, I'm the guy who sold you the house. Let's see you have the pond ripped out. He's like, yeah, I don't have time for the maintenance. I was like, what do you want for everything? He's like, $200. So I showed up that afternoon and got my whole aquascape systems back. You know, the biofalls, everything, the rock.
Nice.
And so Dusty and I kind of decided, well, it's time to upgrade that pond there behind, at that point, the rental property. So that started that iteration. And then when we moved down here in 2011, I think it was then a couple years later, we did the pool. And at that point, I told Dusty, I was like, you do your thing.
Yep, and he did. So if you just wanted something in the front yard, you know what? There's nothing you could put in the front yard that will have as much curb appeal as sound in the sights of moving water. Beautiful, beautiful stone. Wow, that's one stone sitting on a basin. Listen to that sound. Just gorgeous, right outside the front door. What is it, maybe $3,500 install?
Yep.
Aqua blocks, pump, plumbing, giant drilled stone.
Yep, very simple. About a half day's worth of work.
Half day's worth of work for a lifetime of enjoyment. I mean, this is a pretty unique design. It's a pretty big pond. What would it take to replicate this in someone's yard?
If we were to do this at current pricing, we'd be probably looking at the $25,000 price range. That would include the lighting. We have a 2-pump system in here. The nice thing about that is that if one pump dies, you will still be running your water feature for the fish, the aeration, and all that stuff. With the plants, the rock work, the plantings around, yeah, you'd be looking at about a $25,000 install.
Well, not bad, because there's a swimming pool over there and a pond over here. And people all the time ask, why do people that live on the lake that have a swimming pool have a decorative water feature? Because first of all, that pool, as beautiful as it is, doesn't make that sound. And second of all, it's wildlife, it's nature. The animals, the birds, the fish that get attracted to the ponds, it's a whole different feeling. Even if you live on a lake, it doesn't have the sound, and you're not going to be able to enjoy it right up close and personal, right outside your door. All of these windows look over here, and I guarantee you this is a good thing to look out to in the backyard. Does he like the pond? Does Ollie like the pond?
That's where he spent the majority of his time. But he'd just go in there and sit, and the funniest thing was the dog would come out of the water to go pee and then go right back.
Hey, that's smart. It's a smart dog.
Just stay in there.
How would you describe living the aquascape lifestyle for your family?
It's just amazing to come out here and have the sound and the tranquility of being able to look, especially at night with the lights on. I mean, what a enhanced feature that is, to be able to sit there and just see the fish kind of swimming along gracefully. Right. And
so you sit with a cold one at night watching the fish?
More than once, for sure.
Okay, so we started this pond for my best friend for my whole life right here. We have about a 20-foot stream. We use this log right here, and we actually have 2 pumps in this. The one controlling the biofall filter, and then the second pump plumbed into the log. The water will flow down into what was about an 11 by 18 foot aquascape ecosystem, and we put a natural stone step to cross through the pond here. That way it also serves a purpose to not let the heron eat the fish. The fish actually hide under here. Over here we have the skimmer box where all the leaves and debris that fly into the pond get collected into the net. The water is extremely clear. It's pretty neat being able to have a lifelong friend these days, and then also being able to do work for them.
This is what separates a certified aquascape contractor from a guy that can just build you a pond. It is truly the art. The big rocks, the small rocks, the stepping stones, the incorporation of the hardscapes with the landscapes. They know what they're doing. If you're interested in an awesome water feature, you want to get a certified aquascape contractor. We say it's not inexpensive. This is not an inexpensive hobby, but it's such an enjoyable hobby, and it's always cheaper to do it right the first time instead of the third time. So you want to hire a certified aquascape contractor that's been trained in ponds done right, customer service right. I'll put a link below so you can find a guy in your area. I love my art, and I love my job.